makanya aku ambil kimi dari tukang bakso karena dia ditendangin. Dia nggak nakal kak, dia pendiam dan nurut.
Jadi di setiap kafe itu siapkan air juga untuk anjing. Bukan cuma orang saja disiapkan airnya. Kolombo. Kak Bici dari mana kan?
Dari rumah.
Oh, dari rumah.
Beres rumah yang lama.
Oh, sekarang sudah punya rumah yang baru.
Iya.
Di kota.
Oh, di kota.
Anjay.
Tapi
Nanti kita jalan-jalan ke kota Ompir.
iya. Kapan?
Aja. Januari. Hari ini
Sudah dingin di sini.
hari Minggu aku shift sendiri tanpa dia.
Nanti kenapa tidak muncul komen nih? Rusak lagi nih. Macet komennya lah. Tidak kelihatan juga berapa penonton. Oh, kita main panas-panas dulu. Kita menjemur-jemur. Ya, kita menjemur-jemur di sini. Sit down here.
How you feeling?
Jadi kita mampir lagi minum terus.
Yeah, I was fucked earlier today.
How was the hot pot?
We went to this other Chinese restaurant. It was actually fucking.
It was awesome.
It was so
Worked out perfectly in the end.
Yeah.
After you left, we were walking around the city for like at least 20 minutes, just like trying to find somewhere that was open. And then
Yeah, is there anything open at the time?
Yeah, we this place. I don't know.
Cosmo's
That
friend, who's a chef, knew about it. Because he said,
Mabok dia.
Mabok.
Kita gigi dia. Really, really
we were doing a tour of the Akon Street cake. It's really good.
fucking delicious.
It's like actually one of the best sweets.
German
Eh,
cake.
maming.
This is from my place of origin, Bavaria in German.
Jerman, Bavaria.
You've got a little as well.
Apa itu? Oh, coklat. Hai. Kita coba lagi nih. Ini
How do you say
dange.
like my father's
Dange.
Yang dipangkel.
Dange,
I'd
dange.
say like,
Aduh,
like-
cuma dange pakai.
homeland.
like tempat
Ini
darah,
dange.
tempat daerah,
Tempat lahir?
tempat lah.
No, you're not born from there.
How do you say like homeland?
Homeland kampung,
halaman.
kampung halaman.
Kampung halaman.
Kampung halaman.
Hmm.
But tempat halaman maybe like
Asal.
Asal daerah.
Because
Kalau
halaman
kampung
is
itu
like
pernah
a
tinggal di situ.
yeah.
Kampung halaman asalnya dari lahir kamu di mana? Ya.
Jerman, Polandia,
Oh,
Dari kampungnya Peter.
Inggris.
oh iya. Kampungnya bapakku.
Wow. On my mum's side it's just English.
Your father namanya Peter.
Peter.
Ya,
Namanya
kalau di
Peter.
Toraja namanya Om Pit.
Chinese
Om
citizen.
Peter.
Sama-sama ompit.
Ne
Sama-sama.
Peter.
Iya, Nek Peter.
Ne Chris.
Nek Chris. Ini Nek Chris. Di mana Nek Chris tinggal? Di
Sankilda.
Jerman Nek Chris.
We have a happy hour.
Bapaknya dari Jerman, mamanya dari Polandia.
Oh,
Tapi dia tidak tahu, tidak bertemu bapaknya
ya bertemu bapaknya.
karena
Yeah.
perang dunia kedua.
Kedua.
That is the best word.
Jadi nenekmu itu orang Polandia dengan orang Jerman.
It's like
Orang
16, 17
Polandia.
dollars for a pint. Right?
Kalau mamanya Fiona dari mana?
Cool seeing
Inggris.
Fraser's
Dari
mom.
Inggris. Nenek apa? Nenekmu lewat dari Fiona di mana tinggal di Inggris?
No, dia tinggal di sini
tinggal
tapi
di sini.
orang Australia yang tidak asli,
Asli.
banyakkan dari Inggris.
So I was like,
Karena itu
I think we're
koloni,
nice
koloni,
guys.
how do you
We
say?
like,
Penjajah.
Hah?
Penjajah, jajahan.
Penjajah,
Yeah.
penjajah Inggris.
proof that I did it.
Oh iya.
I
Penjajah.
was like,
Penjajah.
so
Penjajah,
at my
kolonial.
depth when I have to like hold like rich.
What's the base word?
Yeah.
With my mom, bro.
There is no specific
Yeah.
word.
It's like actually
Penjajah.
Who's mom?
So how do you say to colonize?
Is she like?
Menjajah.
Menjajah.
Penjajah.
Jadi Inggris menjajah.
Oh, so men is to blah blah
I'm
blah.
ordering them to you sit over here.
Men blah blah blah.
Don't say
In English.
anything. Don't be loud. Blah blah blah. I'm so scared.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't
I
told
feel
you
they
like
love
what's
that, like, getting to
me,
be-
what's
Yeah. No, I know that.
oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember Hootie saying that when like.
But usually with per, there's a base word.
Yeah.
Penjajah.
dress up in a way,
Yeah.
some, like, big outfit.
And there was Matt.
It's
Penjajah.
just
You
Juju.
know Matt? Fiona's
Juju.
Matt.
Juju's Deli. Kenceng banget kak. Kenceng banget.
It's so like it's weird because it's a family affair and everyone
Yeah.
knows everyone.
Yeah. Last night I got confused because your mum was saying I haven't met the Hewison